Children, the last class you learned about the European colonies and the life of the people, African people life, and you are going to learn about the independence of Africa. During the last century, African countries gained independence from the control of European powers. In the 19th century, I explained in the last class, 19th century, Africans gained the control of European powers, they gained the independence, right? Then new nations came up. After getting independence, new nations came up for that African people. Of course, at the time, many Europeans settled in African countries. Many Europeans settled in African countries. Slowly, African people acquiring control over their land. So, slowly African people got the independence. When they, after getting independence, they acquiring control over their land. They got the control on their land. Forests, mines and agricultural production benefiting from them. This means African people. So many Europeans are settled in an African country. They are all, so many are working European colonies, and European people are working in African continent. So these African people are getting benefits from forests, mines and agriculture production. So these people are working in that forests and mines and in agriculture, those people are working. So African people are getting benefits from that European. Okay, minerals of Africa. Next come to the minerals of Africa. What are the minerals we find in Africa? So many minerals are there in Africa continent. This Africa is rich in minerals like coal, copper, tin, etc. That minerals available in Africa. Largest production in the world, and precious gold and diamond minerals also available in Africa continent in very largest production. And mineral oil or petroleum is the most important natural resource of Nigeria. In Nigeria, there are so many mineral oil and petroleum is there in Nigeria. Where it is? In Nigeria, so many mineral oil and petroleum resources. Oil refineries have set up at Harcourt and Wari Port. Oil refineries have been set up at Harcourt and Wari Port in Africa only. This industry was in the hands of a foreign company. This minerals industry was in the hands of a foreign company. So the Nigerian has only small share. These mineral resources are under the control of foreign company. Only these people, Nigerian people, has small share in that companies. For employment, foreign companies bring new technologies and investments to give some jobs, some people, to employ the people. The foreign companies adopted new technologies and they invested on that companies to give some employment for the people in Africa. Okay, this is the minerals of African continent. Let us see the map given here and the countries of Africa, and you have practice map also. Page number 67. See all of you. This is Africa continent map. Here Egypt, Niger. Here Nigeria. This is Algeria. This is Libya, Sudan, Ethiopia, South India, South Sudan, Central African Republic, Democratic Republic of Congo. Already you heard about this Democratic Republic of Congo, this area, Africa continent, this was in. And this was full of dense forest, so many animals out there in this region, covered with green forests. And Zambia, Tanzania, if you observe this map, you can find out the different countries of Africa continent. And you have practice map in this page. Observe all that in your map and try to write the countries' names without seeing. Without seeing, try to write the countries' names by observing that countries in this map. Practice this map in the textbook. Okay, children. The foreign companies bring new technologies and investments into the mining and processing industries, thus creating employment for the local people. However, they use cheap labor to make huge profits. These foreign countries took some cheap labors. Why? Because to get huge profits, they give only some of the wages, very less wages to the laborers, and they got huge profits, which are taken from the African people. Most of these companies are also careless about environmental protection. They did not take the environmental protection. They are very careless and have caused immense damage to the natural environment. Because of that, so much damage occur in the nature. This has affected the quality of land and life of the people adversely. And this natural disaster affected the people and also the industries of that African people. So, this is the Africa lesson, independent Africa and minerals of Africa we discussed. You practice that map which was given in your textbook and also read the lesson. Okay, children, now lesson 6 Africa completed. Okay, thank you.